Hi guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel, The Donkey Business. So there are a few movies and shows that I watched in January which did not make it to my YouTube, and I did not make like a whole review or recommendation video on them because I did not find it worth it. So today I'm gonna just list out those movies and shows that I watched and did not like that much, but I still watched it, so I'm gonna talk about it. The first movie that I watched, not the first, but one of the movies that I watched was called Storyteller. Now, I am a huge fan of Paresh Rawal. I think he's a god of acting, and I have been a fan of him since like Judai and all those movies. Like, I love him. If I have to ever learn acting from someone, it would definitely be Paresh Rawal. And I was very excited to watch his movie Storyteller because he was starring in it. But I did not like the movie that much because I found it extremely slow paced. And I don't have a problem with slow paced movies. I watch a lot of world cinema, but this movie was like the narration was very like I was feeling sleepy and I was like, "Arey yaar, like move on." And then honestly, I did not watch the last half an hour of the film because I got very bored. And Storyteller, like I heard good things about it, but I personally did not like it that much. Paresh Rawal is obviously like a very good actor, so watch it for him. But you can skip the movie. Then I watched Mystic Quest. I loved season 1 and 2 of Mystic Quest, which is available on Apple TV, and I loved it. Like, I have watched that show and I've raved about it on my Instagram so many times. It's about this gaming company that is like making games and putting it out in the market, and the kind of stuff that they go through in the office politics and like really funny characters. It's like a light-hearted show. It's so good, but I don't know what happened in season 3. Why did they like really like what happened? What went wrong, guys? Did you change your writers or what? I did not like it at all. I almost felt like they should have just ended the show in season 2 then. They just spoiled like a really good show for me. So yeah, Mystic Quest, I was very, very disappointed. Then I watched Meem Se Mohabbat, which is a Pakistani drama. It's still an ongoing drama. There is another Pakistani drama that I'm watching on the side, and this episode is gonna come out today. So I'm gonna watch it. But this Meem Se Mohabbat was so annoying. It is available on YouTube, and it's about this girl who comes from like a fairly rich background, and she doesn't want to like study and all, so she wants to like randomly get married to someone, and then she gets like an internship opportunity at her father's friend's office, and the boss over there is like pretty I don't know, like rudish, and they kind of get along, they fall in love. That's how much I've seen till now, but it is so like frustrating. I'm not liking it. People are really talking about it, the reviews are great, but honestly, I do not like it. You can skip Meme Se Mohabbat. There's another one that I'm going to talk about very soon once it gets over, but Meme Se Mohabbat, no, I do not like it. Then I watched OJ Simpson. So I watched the OG documentary of OJ Simpson when it used to be on Netflix, and that was really good. But this OJ Simpson, like they've not whitewashed OJ Simpson and all. Like they have given like both their views, and most of the views are going like not towards OJ Simpson. But the documentary I didn't like that much. The first two episodes were pretty gripping, but then it became a lot about like color and black people, and I don't know, like it was not hitting the chord of like power, money, and like how a courtroom drama should be and how it was manipulated, and like stuff like that. That was lacking. It was more about like the other social things from like episode 3, and then there are only 4 5 episodes, but I don't like it. So these are things that I watched in January which I didn't like that much, but you tell me if you watched it and you liked it, and if there is something that I did not recommend on my channel in the month of Jan, tell me. I'll watch it now. Like I'm watching a Pakistani show right now. I watched other Apple TV show which I did not like, and yesterday I started watching an animated show on Netflix, which I'm very excited about because it's nice till now. I will definitely talk about it. Also, Malayalam films, they are releasing in theaters in Mumbai, but so far away. So I'll probably have to like travel a lot, or I will have to like wait for it to come on OTT. But yeah, exciting stuff is happening in Feb. I'm also starting to like post videos on Formula One. So if you have been following me on Instagram, you know that I'm obsessed with Formula One. But if you are new to the sport, like then this series F1 for beginners is gonna be for you. And sorry for my voice, I'm pretty sick right now. But I will see you very soon, and do recommend me movies, man. I'm back and I want to watch some cool stuff.